In this lesson, I'd like to look at how translations are used to control the different phone and email types that are available. So if I click on the phone and email tab, we can see that currently I'm looking at a company, and the company phone and email types are listed here. And we can see that there are business, fax, ISDN, modem, toll-free as the types of telephone number that can be recorded against the company, and business, sales and support email addresses. Now that's different than if we want to look at a person. And if I navigate now to one of the people within inside the company, so it's looking at Simon Yaltoy's details, and then look at the phone and email tab here, we can see that we're able to store business, fax, home, mobile and pager, and what we don't have here are things like the free phone or the toll-free, and we don't have the ISDN telephone number types listed here, and we don't have a support line, though we do have, as an email address, we have a private rather than a business email address. Now this information is, this type of phone and email record is controlled by translations. If I switch over into an administrator screen and I can come into the translations area, what I need to look for are the translation families which are used for this. If I show you quickly a slide, we can see that in this case the relevant caption families that are used to control the different types of phone and email types are shown here. So link underscore comp phone, link underscore comp email are referred to the are relevant for the company information, and link underscore pers phone and link underscore pers email. So if I switch back and think about my user, and I want to add in perhaps the ability to store an alternative email address, so an additional email address, then I can do that here. So the caption family that I'm interested in searching for would be link pers email. If I search for that, we can see that we currently have a range of different email addresses types that are here, and what I need to do is I need to go and add in the alternative private address. So if I select new, the caption code is going to be alternative. The caption family has to be that link underscore pers email. The caption type although it's listed as a mandatory field, it is not used to uniquely identify the translation. So I'm just going to use choices. And the caption order, I may want this to rank quite highly, so I'm going to choose caption order 1, or if I want it to appear at the top, towards the top of the list of options, I would put in 0. But we can be quite happy with where we use the caption order to explain where things are listed. And then the US translation is used to allow us to provide the prompt. And so if I save this, we've added now a new translation. And so if the user refreshes this phone and email screen, we can see that there is now the ability to store against this contact a secondary email address. And this technique is used, as we've seen, for both phone and email addresses.